Hi, this is Elisha, and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps that you can take for you to be able to set up your Binance account and be able to trade or to be able to withdraw money. So without any further ado, let's take a ride. So you head to Play Store and make sure that you have the app installed. So this is the logo for the app Binance. That's what it looks like. Okay, you click on it, you have it installed on your phone. Let me walk you through the steps that you have to walk through. Okay, so now, the moment you happen to have it installed on your phone, and then you click on open, the first page that will pop up is this one. So you'll be required to actually sign up with your email or your phone. So it's better you happen to sign up with your email. So click sign up with email, and then when you click that, the other page will actually open up. And this is a welcome page saying, welcome to Binance. What is your name? So here, you need to punch in your first name. If you have a middle name which appears on your NRC, you can punch it in. You can simply ignore it. Then you punch in the last name. Then you click continue. When you click continue, you will come to this page where you need to create personal account. So here, you will be required to enter your email. Then you can click down here where it says referral ID. Or since this one is optional, leave it just the way it is. Okay, so click now next. When you click next, you'll be brought to this part where you need to set up the password. So set up your password and then click next. Make sure that you're writing down anything that you're actually punching in. And then you'll be alerted that the account has successfully been created. Now the question is, do you agree to receive marketing updates? You can actually turn on this button. And then after you're done, click done. You'll be brought to this page where you'll be required to enable passkeys, but this can be ignored if you want. So when you click on that passkey, be brought this far where you'll be prompted to get started, as in setting up a security key with Binance. But you can actually scroll back so that you ignore this part. Okay, so now when you're done with that part, you will be brought to this part where you need to be verified. So click continue. Here there's no way you have to punch, so you just have to, if you want to change the country of residence, you can actually change. So click continue. And then this page will actually open up. What is your nationality? Are you in Zambia? So when you click that arrow pointing downwards, you actually have the opportunity to change your country of residence. So now if the app has automatically detected where you are, you simply leave it the way it is. Okay, then you click continue. When you come to this part, you need to simply punch in the date of birth. And then you click continue. All right, so now here, you need to enter your home address. Your home address, and then you click continue. Okay, so now here, you need to choose a method by which you will be verified. So preferably, I would rather you go by ID card. You click that, and then you click continue. Document verification, when that one is actually activated, you need to simply punch continue. And then you'll come to this part. So you need to click allow so as to allow Binance to upload pics from your phone. So you click allow, and then you click continue. Then you'll be brought to this part. So the camera will be activated. All you need to do now is to simply place your ID right in that box at the bottom of your phone. The camera will automatically capture the ID. So you start by actually making sure that the front part with your face is the one that you take first. Okay. If you want, you can simply punch this whitish circle here so as to capture the pic. Make sure that you don't take a blurry shot, otherwise it will be rejected. And after you're done, you click continue. And then if it's in perfect shape and it's clear, it will actually be uploaded, and then you'll be prompted to retake the pic or simply to hit continue. So hit continue if there are no issues. So you'll be brought this part to this part where you'll be told that you now flip the ID so that the back side of the ID is actually short as well. Then click continue. So now when the back side is short, if there are issues, you'll be told to say verification denied or whatever, or the pic is blurry. But if it's clear, you'll be told that document uploaded, and then you hit continue. And then after everything has been uploaded, you actually receive a notification that your application is under review. You click continue, and of course you'll be receiving email notifications. You may receive emails giving you the codes to enter at some point so as to continue with the setup process. And so now when everything is done and the verification is successful, you will receive in your email inbox a notification. That is an email telling you that the verification process is successful. And then you'll be home and dry. Okay, so now in the next videos, I'll show you how you can actually trade from your Binance account and how you can actually receive money from Popo Live, from Nikki Live, from Space Football, and mention of any other platform that does not have a provision for withdrawing money using your mobile money account. Well, for you to see those videos, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and that you turn on the notification bell so that anytime I happen to post a video, you are alerted. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.